A side hustle that actually tripled my income in less than a year. And this is how to do it. So what it is setting up digital businesses for people. And that would simply mean that you're setting up a landing page. Like, for example, this is a page I set up the other day, and it gives away a free product where people enter in their email, and then you give instant access to a sales page. So the next thing you do is set up automated emails that go out each day, and it has a different information or offers to different products that are selling different products, and it usually solves problems for people or depending on the niche that they're in. And they're automated, so a lot of it is hands-off. So to learn how to set up automated emails and landing pages, it could take you anywhere from a week, maybe 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how fast a learner you are. There's different platforms to use. There's so many different ones. My favorite is Builderall, and I find that gives me everything I need. I can build courses, I can build landing pages, I can build automated emails and chatbot. There's tons of other ones that you can use as well. I left a link below in the comments if you want to check it out. Actually, if you want to learn all these skills that I'm talking about, you can take my 5-day course in my profile, and it teaches you all the things you need to do, and then you can turn around and product this to other people, sell this to other people. And I promote this 3 different ways. The first way is I send out an email to my email list, and I send them to a landing page like this. This is my business in a box landing page, and this is how much that I sell the product for, and I only do one at a time. And the second way is I simply talk about it on my TikTok channel, and I let people know the service is available, and then they comment below, and then I follow up with them. And the third way is I offer the gig on Fiverr.com,